Hello and welcome back to Hardworking Man. So how do you make the best trailer on the market even better? I'm going to show you today. What am I talking about? It's the N&N galvanized trailers. This is my equipment trailer that I bought to replace my 30-foot gooseneck. It's a 24-foot N&N galvanized equipment trailer and I absolutely love this thing. But there's a few things I wanted to change about it to make it better, and the thing that I miss the most about my gooseneck trailer, I'm going to put on this trailer today and I'm going to show you what it is. So you saw in the thumbnail, it's myself, Chris from In the Woodyard, and Tony from Tony's Cool Tools. We'll put a link at the end of this video to the video that all three of us were in. I was picking up my new equipment trailer and Tony was picking up his new N&N dump trailer from Thumb Trailer and Auto Sales in Sandusky, Michigan. And if you go there and buy one of the best trailers available, the N&N galvanized trailers, and tell them you saw it on Hardworking Man, you're gonna get one of these free Hardworking Man t-shirts with Thumb Trailer and Auto Sales information on the back. So get a hold of these guys. They have some in stock from time to time, and a lot of times it's a special order. Enough about the N&N trailers. We talked about that plenty in the video with myself, Chris, and Tony, so check that out. Let's show you what these upgrades are. Now, before anybody says, oh no, it's a commercial, I bought everything I'm about to show you in this video. I'm not sponsored by any of these people, so you can calm down about the commercial speech. This isn't one, it's just what I found that I like and quality equipment that I like to share. So what was all that grinding, welding, and cutting? It was building a support for this. I didn't want to drill through the frame to install a toolbox, and this is what I need to haul what I bought that's going to make this trailer even better. I got this off Amazon. It's an Arxon. We'll put a link in the description. And it's a thinner aluminum toolbox, which is another reason I braced it above and below so that it will hold what I'm about to put in it. Let me show you what I got. So one of the things I was most upset about losing going from my gooseneck to that new N&N trailer was this, the built-in strapping system. This uses the wide straps that made everything so much easier than using the 2-inch ratchet straps that you always got to fuss with. You got to hook on both sides. So let me show you how we're going to fix that on the new N&N. So I did a lot of research and I found these by Mytee products, M-Y-T-E-E. And again, like I said, I'm not sponsored. I bought all this stuff for full price. So you just drop it here in the stake pocket, take your pin and insert it through the bottom and put your little clevis pin in. Now I can take my big 4-inch straps, you put it underneath and back around. Now it stays hooked. You don't have to worry about the hook coming undone while you're going to the other side. Whatever cargo you have on here, you simply run this strap over top of. And then what I used to do was I would feed this whole thing through here, but you don't have to do that. You can just take it, take a little bit of slack and fold it over, then tuck it in. Because now when you wind it, it's going to bind on itself, but you don't have to put the whole thing through. This is rated for 14,000 pounds, so these are going to hold down any weight I'm going to put on this trailer. So much easier, so much nicer, and I got a few other things too. Another is this bar to use to tighten down these straps, which is going to be way nicer than the old tire iron I used to use. So unfortunately, one thing I didn't take into consideration when I ordered this toolbox and this bar was if it would fit or not. Which I want that in with the strap ratchets, whatever you would call them, and stuff for the chain binder and to tighten down the straps. But I have a plan, let's see if it works. So my plan is to cut this bar in half, and then I'm going to take a bolt and a nut and I'm going to weld the bolt into one end and the nut on the other, so that way I can break it down and put it in the box, and if I ever need the extra leverage, I can screw it back together. I think it'll work. We're about to find out. Okay, so now with my half cut bar that I haven't put the bolt in yet, you just put this in and you can crank this down. And then whenever you're done, it's that simple to remove your strap. Now working with these straps is a pain in the butt to wind them and store them, but they also have this. It's a nice little strap winder, which you can use for the 2 or the 4-inch straps. You just drop this in here on your channel, put this on, and wind your strap up quick and easy. Just like that, into the toolbox. I used to fold these in half and wind them up by hand. It was a pain in the butt. This is simple. This thing's pretty cheap. I did join their affiliate program because it can help the channel if you guys buy through my link. But like I said, I bought all this stuff myself. I was not given a discount or sponsored or anything. So we'll have a link to all these products in the description, and there's one more that I added. The last thing I got to add to this trailer to make it even better than it was is right here. And it's something the trailer already has, but it's just making it, I guess, more versatile. It's similar to the strap winders, but it's a D-ring that, of course, is tangled inside here. So now you can have a D-ring anywhere that you have one of these pockets instead of just the 6 that are on the trailer. So just like the strap system or the winch system, you just drop it in, put your pin in, and these are rated for 18,000 pounds. So you can chain stuff down a little bit nicer, exactly where you need it, and just another option to add to your trailer to make it even more versatile. So why did I go with Mytee products? Because 1, they match the trailer, which I'm fussy about. 2, buying this stuff through the Mytee website was actually cheaper than what I found it on Amazon or eBay or anywhere else. And they have a warranty on all their products. So check them out. Again, link in the description. That'll help out the Hardworking Man channel. Now let's get that bar welded back together, if I can, with my plan with a nut and bolt. All right, I'm not sure if this will cut through this. We're about to find out. Not too bad for a grade 8 bolt.
Not gonna lie, I was a little afraid it was coming back at me.
No, I got you.
I thought it was gonna shoot out at me.
You're always safe with me. All right, I will say, even though I haven't tested the durability yet, that is the most proud I've ever been of a weld. And yeah, if you're a welder, that's probably trash, but a lot of stuff I weld falls back apart, but I think I'm slowly learning. I kept part of the shank in there, and then I left this long, so it's gonna take a little longer to screw together, but it will give more, I guess, leverage or torque without snapping that nut off, because I know my welding capabilities, and I figure any extra that I can get is gonna be good. So when I need that extra torque to really tighten something down, I can put this bar back together and now really crank on it, but it'll most of the time only get used in half, and now it'll actually fit in my toolbox. So I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Let me know what you think. Did you know you could get strapping systems like this for trailers with stake pockets or that strap winder? Because I didn't know about this stuff until I started looking into it. So let me know down in the comments, how do you think I did? Did you know about this stuff? Do you think it's useful? Thanks for watching Hardworking Man, guys, and have a great day.